All right, how's everyone doing? Thank you for tuning in, and I want to talk to you about this hot money making flyer, the Baby Flash 300. The Baby Flash 300. This is designed for you to receive unlimited $300 daily, weekly, or monthly in your mailbox. It is as simple as that. If you can put a stamp and one of our hot buyer leads on an envelope, put this flyer in that envelope and mail it, you can make some serious money. This is how it works, okay? When you get started, your name and address is gonna go into box number 2 on your flyer. All right, this is going to be box number 2 right here on your flyer. All right, so once your name goes into box number 2 and you mail this out, all right, what's going to happen is people going to send you $300 and 5 books of stamps. $300 and 5 books of stamps. Now, when your name move over to box number 3, because someone gets started with you, you set yourself up to get a residual income of $300 and 5 books of stamps every time someone gets started from the person that you got started into the business. It's like the phone. You went into the place, got your phone, and each time you make that payment, someone gets paid. That is it. It is simple as that. But let me tell you what I'm going to give you for that. Not only that, but each time someone gets started, it helps support our prison ministry. All right, look, you're gonna get this flyer personalized with your name, your address. If you want your phone number on there, we'll put your phone number or your email address on there, whatever you want there. Okay, your name gonna go in box number 2. Okay, you're gonna get a hot new money-making marketing kit. You get where I get my postcards made, where I get my envelope stuffed for me with my flyers, okay, and sent to me, and all I got to do is take those envelopes out that's going to contain my flyers, okay? It's a new source that I have, and all I do is put the stamp and the name on there. All that is in the marketing kit. Not only that, but you're gonna get 100 buyer leads when you get started from this. Then I'm gonna give you $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. My story is I went to Walmart with grocery shopping. My bill came up to over $190, okay? After I gave them the grocery coupons. See, you can't lose with coupons that you choose. We all know that groceries is going up, it's expensive, okay? So now that you have coupons for items you choose, you're gonna save money. And guess what? I paid a little less than $90 for my groceries that day. Saving myself $100, people. It is simple and it's easy. Can you imagine 10 people getting started with you and $300, okay? And then you got 5 books of stamps that come along with that. Now you can continue to send your stamps. That's 1,000 stamps, people, if 10 people get started with you. That is amazing. That is amazing, people. So you can go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. All right, and when you get there, just look for Baby Flash 300. Look for the Baby Flash 300 flyer. Look, we have over 30 money-making flyers and postcards on our website. So you can pick and choose based on what your income is. Okay? Having a call, you give me a call, 346-704-1754. 346-704-1754. Hey, you have any questions? Ask your questions. I'll answer them for you. And then you're gonna get personal coaching from me. Personal coaching from me. So that's it. It is as simple as that. Tap into the Baby Flash 300. Get unlimited $300 and 5 books of stamps sent directly to your mailbox. Cash, money orders only, and U.S. postal money orders only. Okay? And participate in your own rescue. God is not a respecter of person. The same thing he's doing for me, he'll do for you. The Baby Flash is waiting for you to put mailbox cash money in your mailbox. Again, you give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Get the Baby Flash flyer. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you